Conventional denture making is complicated and time-consuming. Unlike a typical 3-axis milling machine, a dental milling machine requires over 4 axes of control to perform rotary engraving for high smoothness requirements. The zirconia used for dentures is fragile and expensive. High-quality processing relies on high operation stability and ample milling experience. Delta CNC distributed control system consists of a CNC controller with a high-precision servo system that features rapid response to assist in producing exceptionally smooth workpieces. A Delta servo drive provides interpolation function to ensure surface finishing precision with a stable and smooth operation speed. The Delta DMC net facilitates 4-axis communication with simpler wiring, low interference, and precise commands transmission. It provides excellent benefits, such as a CNC controller to optimize the work path, lower deceleration frequency and shortened processing time, and a servo system to reduce mechanical vibration and ensure long-term operation stability and precision, as well as user-friendly software to minimize system development and installation time. Delta's dental milling solution delivers superior processing quality. Your best CNC choice.